Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Thank you so much for watching my video daily. Okay, today I'm going to take you on the date and I want to show you a really cool restaurant nearby my house. Let's go! The restaurant is called right there Poppy&Seed, and I don't even know how to describe this type of restaurant. Basically, it's a small plate, kind of like tapas. They have a grilled octopus and what is it, the lamb meatballs, and it's meant to be sharing. And I want to show you. It sounds really amazing. Yeah. So, what is this drink?
It's Buffalo Trace Bourbon, Blackberry, citrus, and ginger beer.
Wow, looks really pretty. Oh, here's our meal.
Are you the chef?
I'm one of the chefs for the chef of the week.
We're fascinated by the fact that the chef is bringing out the dishes.
Well, sometimes they need a little help, and honestly, like, I mean, it's good PR.
Me,
for us.
yes, very, very
Plus,
good.
if you guys have questions, you know, like I know.
Yeah, I do have a question. I'm a YouTuber. I'm trying to do an interview here. What type of food is this restaurant? Like,
The style, you could call it New American, is what they classify it. It's a fancy way of saying you can do whatever you want.
ah, okay.
We don't have
like a
this
little
style,
bucket.
this regional cuisine, or this. So.
So
Yeah.
we're very excited.
Good.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.
Thank you. All right, so I'm ready to try this. So this is the lamb meatball.
What's out?
It's a really large meatball.
No, she actually works with me. That's cool.
Let me give it a try. See how this tastes.
She's like my only friend.
Wow, the meatball is very
Very moist.
moist, tender, very bounce.
It's very good.
A little small small flavor.
It's very good.
Wow. How much is this thing here? $16. Fennel tomato sauce and garlic yogurt. Wow. This is good.
Yeah, like I don't even have it. Yeah.
Okay, now let's try the grilled octopus. Has eggplant and tomato.
She's like not in a bad way, just like not. Yeah. So she's ripped out.
Has a little kick at the end. Got everything on there. Cherry tomato, herb, grilled octopus. $18. I think it's worth $18. I like the spice kick in there at the end. Oh my gosh, so good. I can't wait for the entree. Somebody's very happy with his
Old fashioned.
When she adopted him, it was like
What is in an old fashioned?
Bourbon, bitters, simple syrup, and a orange rind.
And what makes old fashioned good?
Bourbon.
Okay.
The northern Arizona.
But you know, some people make it not so good. Why is this so good?
It's just well balanced.
Well balanced, I see. Thanks for the teaching class today.
Duck breast? Did you share both of
We're
these
gonna
things?
share them. yeah.
Okay, I'll get you guys some share plates with that. Leg of lamb. I'll be right back.
Wow, thank you.
This is rack of lamb, but where's the rack?
No, it's not rackamole. It's grilled leg of lamb.
Oh, it's a grilled leg of lamb. Okay, duh. And that's the duck. Has some kind of... Oh, it's kind of like an Asian fusion, but they use crave. Interesting. Can't wait to try it. And that's the crispy mushroom. Did you see the mushroom?
It's in there.
Why it says crispy? I thought I was envisioning that they bread it or something like that. Oh, there's egg yolk in there. Crispy mushroom. Wow. It's very healthy.
Oh, I don't think you got the sauce. The sauce is crazy good.
Yes.
It's like mint.
You're gonna make one?
I'm gonna make one.
We'll just watch you make it, so I don't have to make it. I can see you without making it. It's a crave with some veggie and then the duck. It's good, but I can't taste the duck because the fresh herb is so overwhelming.
Try just the duck. Do you see the honeycomb?
So I'm gonna try it like this now. It tastes like a smoked duck,
Smoked duck.
like a ham, but not salty, but not too fattening either. Actually, it tastes better with all this together. But just you cannot think about like a like crispy duck, the one in the pears.
No.
That's different. Unique flavor. It's good. I like it. At night, they turn on the light. So beautiful here.
You're like, you know what? It's fine.
So this is the outside, what the restaurant looks like. So take a while, guess how much we pay for the dinner. For everything, with tip, $235. Oh my god, that's a lot. But it's good. It's very, very good. So it's definitely something that you should come for a special event. It's really good at one pairing if you like to drink wines. Now let's go find dessert, because I think we know a better dessert place than that one. what is it? Like
Hazelnut praline cookie.
don't eat this. I think one bite is 200 calories. Oh my god. Very nice hazelnut, soft cooking, not too sweet. So this is like a mousse, chocolate mousse with an almond cookie in the bottom, almond cake. Wow, it's very fluffy and crispy.
It's not super sweet.
No, it's a little bit better too.
It's lighter than it looks.
This one feels a little bit healthier than the cookie. The cookies is so bad. Thank you so much for watching my video today called A Day With Me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe my channel, like the video, and share the video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.